Yo, so it's DMO. I am here back at Pandora and I have my Lamborghini Huracan Performante. I secure all of the vehicles and it's time to get this secure right now. Big up Pandora every time, there's nowhere else to look. The best in the game.
Hello everyone, it's Matt here at Pandora HQ. Today we've got DMO's Huracan Performante in for the brand new Smart Pro V3 system.
Nice Nathan from Artisan Automotive. As you can see, he's got his new matte black wrap, so we've got to take extra care to get it looking fresh. Come check us out on Instagram for more information.
And of course, just like all the other vehicles DMO has, we're fitting remote engine start so he can fire this up anywhere in the world from a touch of a button. DMO brought the Lambo, DMO brought the energy, and we brought the protection. This is the Smart Pro V3, obviously with remote engine start. DMO can track this vehicle anywhere in the world from his phone. He can kill the car, he can start it from his phone, the internet, from his factory key. It's literally got everything, and this is a beast of a car with a beast of a system.
Does your Lamborghini do a remote start? Let's go. Look at that. Start. Come to the driver. No driver. Obviously I can shut it down as well from the app anywhere in the world. And the car's turned off. And then right now, we are going to unlock it. Look at the light sequences. That is fucking sick. So I can do that anywhere in the world. Also, I have the tags as well, so if someone tries to hijack me or take the thing, not you hijack me anyway, I dare ya. I dare you to try hijack. But if somebody who's in the car who was under threat and someone tried to take the car, it's okay. When you get down the road, it's just going to turn off anyway. You can call the car, you can turn off the car from anywhere in the world. You can take keys, phones, whatever. The car has its own phone number. You can go to a red phone box in London and type in the code and the car will shut down. Pandora every single time. It can be tracked from anywhere. It tells you where the tracking is. I can go to the route. It tells me how long the car's been started for, what route it took. It does literally everything. Pandora, Pandora, Pandora. Don't go nowhere else, that's all I'm saying. I can start the car from the actual Lamborghini key, which is absolutely sick. There we go. So from the key, no one's in the car. Come and see. Just so you know, there's no one shitting you. Look at the levels. And I show them the company behind, mate. Pandora. Let's talk more action. Go hit them up right now. Go follow them on Instagram and make sure you leave them a message and say DMO sent you. The best in the game, literally the best in the game. If you want to secure your pride and joys, Pandora, nothing else. And just like that, we can off. Bye-bye.